Good morning, children. In the previous class, we were introduced with the Democratic Republic of the Congo country, which is present in the African continent. And we saw what is its flag and where it is present, its location, and its capital, Kinshasa, and it shares boundaries with the countries like Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania in the east. In today's class, we will be learning about land and water bodies and climate, vegetation, and wildlife. So, students, coming to the land and water bodies, that is the land form, how the land form is being formed, and what are the things present in this region. That is the Democratic Republic of the Congo region or the country which is present in the African continent. So, the Democratic Republic of the Congo or the DRC is the second largest country in the Africa. So, the northeastern part of the DRC, in the northern east part of the Democratic Republic of the Congo country, it has Ruwenzori Mountains. What is the name of the mountains? Ruwenzori Mountains. Ruwenzori, Ruwenzori Mountains. How we have northern mountains in the same way in the Democratic Republic of the Congo country also it has got Ruwenzori Mountains, and the Mount Margherita is the highest peak. In India we have Mount Everest, is it? In the same way in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, or in simple we can say DRC. In this country, the Mount Margherita is the highest peak of this range, which range Ruwenzori Mountains. In Ruwenzori Mountains, it has got Mount Margherita highest peak. Next, what is there in the eastern part? In the eastern part of DRC has four lakes, which are they? Albert, 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 Edward, 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 and Kivu, and Tanganyika, Tanganyika. It is Tanganyika. These are the lakes which are present in the eastern part of DRC, that is Democratic Republic of the Congo country. So students, the in the Democratic Republic of Congo or in the DRC country, the Congo River which flows, see, the Congo River is the second longest river in the African continent. So the Congo River is the second longest river of Africa. It is also known as the highway of Central Africa. So now we'll see the how the climate will be. In DRC, it is hot and wet climate throughout the year, and as it receives this region, that is DRC receive direct rays of the sun. Because why? Because this region is located on both the sides of the equator, are known as equatorial region. This DRC of the Congo, that is Democratic Republic of the Congo country, is been located where? In the both the sides of the equator. So when the region is been close to the equator, it receives sun rays directly. So it receives the rays of the sun. So there is little variation in the summer and the winter seasons. So the days and nights are almost will be equal in length. So the climate in this region will be hot and wet, and as it receives direct rays of the sun, as it is closer to the equator region, because this DRC is located near to the equator, and these receives certain variations during the summer and winter seasons. And as it has high temperature and humidity causes the clouds to build up, which results in heavy rainfall, and which receives heavy rainfall every evening. This rainfall is known as 4 o'clock rainfall. What do we call? 4 o'clock rainfall. So the climate in the DRC is hot and wet. That is both hot and wet climate throughout the year. As they receive direct rays of the sun, there is changes in the summer and the winter seasons, and it receives heavy rainfall every evening, so it is known as 4 o'clock rainfall. So students, coming to the vegetation, that is plants life, or the how the natural resources are present over here, like in case of greenery. So we'll see. So here the trees are very tall and thick canopy at top. Canopy is nothing but the uppermost branch of the trees in the forest. The uppermost branches of the trees in a forest, we call it as canopy. And here the trees are tall and thick canopy at the top, and thick undergrowth of the shrubs and bushes. What do we see? In the DRC region, the trees which are grown are, which are, they are tall and they have thick canopy